Hey guys, Alex with Bay Cities Construction here. Today I want to talk to you about vinyl windows. If you're considering replacing the windows at your house, vinyl windows are an affordable option. I want to share with you what I think is a super high quality window at a very affordable price. And let me talk to you about the features that this vinyl window offers. One of the features that I find very important is how smooth the window operates. Because you're going to be opening and closing the windows, right? You want it to be nice and smooth. You want to have a good latch that locks in good and gives you a nice seal. You can actually hear that things got quieter in this room. This has a real nice feature. The locks are really cool. They are very smooth. I think these are European locks. Gives you a nice good seal. These are all double pane windows, and they're filled with argon gas. The more argon gas you have in the windows, the better insulating factor you have. 20% of all energy loss of new construction is from the windows. So the better energy efficiency your windows are, the more efficient your house will perform. So that means you're basically gonna be cooler in the summer when you have the AC running, and you're gonna be warmer in the winter when you have the heat going. So these are really important features, I think, that you should be considering when picking a vinyl window. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about in this little quick video is the installation of the window. There's two kinds. There's the new construction, which is basically a nail flange that goes in from the outside. You nail the window in, and then you're able to fill everything with this foam. That'll ensure that you have a good waterproof connection on the outside, and it'll also make sure that you have the window's not going to be drafty or leaky or anything like that. So let me show you what these windows look like from the outside before the stucco's on, and that'll give you a good idea of the importance and how a window's waterproof from the outside. We're outside of the house. This is the new construction vinyl window installation, and I want to show you the importance of properly waterproofing these windows so that you have not only the maximum energy efficiency, but you also prevent leaks. This is a stucco paper. Underneath here you got stucco mesh. This window, you can see it's overlapped in a few different spots. So you got the black paper, you've got some of this little Tyvek material here. And when you have a new construction install of a window, that's the best installation, because you have foam behind here. This is all screwed in. You've got caulking, you've got different layers of waterproofing material on here, and ultimately that's the best performance and the correct assembly for installing a window. These windows come in different sizes depending on how much air and how much light you want in the space. This is actually kind of a bigger window. See how big this window is and how smooth it is? Operates real nice. With this is obviously going to have a screen on it. You open up this window, you open up a back window, you get nice flow, especially if you're out here in the South Bay. Get that nice little evening breeze. It'll cool out your house in no time. Now, the other type of window, so this is just a sliding window. The stuff that we've installed here is mostly sliding. But if you have a window in a space where you just want light, natural light, you could put a fixed window in. And let me show you what we did, where we installed one of those here in the stairwell. These two windows in the staircase serve as light. They don't operate. This one right here and the one on the far end. You notice they're nice big windows. Some people call them a picture window. And they're really cool for allowing light in. There's obviously, we have mechanical light in here. We have lighting in the stairway, but during the day you don't have to turn on the lights because you've got the light from the windows. One more thing to consider: if you're adding windows to your house as part of an addition, it's important to consider how you're going to use the window. If you notice, this window is up pretty high up on the wall. I'm actually in the living room. There's going to be a TV here, and there's going to be a couch here and a couch over there. So the idea is that you want the natural light and the functionality of having a window, but you also want to have furniture underneath. There's different size windows. This is, I think, a 6-foot wide window by 2 feet tall. And these windows come in different sizes, different functionality. Let's go over here. This is a smaller window, same thing, it's a slider. But here we're going to have a big couch, probably some end tables, and as a result the window's a little bit smaller. How you're going to use the space will determine which windows you use where. In this case, sliders make sense. Up high, it's in the living room. In the bedrooms, maybe you can install a bigger window. Maybe you want to put it up higher if you want to put a bed. If this was a bedroom situation, you wanted to put the bed under the window, you would have the window sitting up high like that. And again, you have this flexibility when you're doing an addition. So when you're doing an addition, consider how you're going to place the windows and how you want them to operate. If you're considering new windows for your house, give our offices a call. We'll come out, measure your space, give you a free consultation, and help you determine how many windows you need and what the best operation is going to be for your condition. My name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction. You don't need a contractor. You need a team of pros.